Breaking crypto news. Morgan Stanley discloses $188 million in BlackRock Bitcoin ETF holdings. Why is this happening? Because Morgan Stanley is now allowing its 15,000 wealth advisors to sell Bitcoin ETFs. The wall of capital just starting to stream into Bitcoin. Hasn't even started in the altcoins yet. Goldman Sachs holds the most Bitcoin ETF shares among US investment banks. Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan Chase also hold spot Bitcoin ETF shares. So the big money is buying. There's no bigger money than central banks. Central banks of Norway and Switzerland disclose massive MicroStrategy holdings. MicroStrategy is a leverage bullish bet on Bitcoin. Two wealthy European countries' central banks are buying MicroStrategy for their countries. Unbelievably massive how big the money is flowing into these assets. State of Wisconsin Investment Board buys nearly 500,000 more shares in BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. So its total holdings are now 3 million shares of the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, right? The biggest money in the world is buying Bitcoin. So who is selling Bitcoin? Well, we have these one-off transactions that don't speak to the mega trend of capital into Bitcoin, more of a one-time event, right? Mt. Gox wakes up again with $2 billion transfer, right? So this is some selling pressure incoming. Then we have nearly 600 million in Seas Silk Road Bitcoin sent to Coinbase. So the mega trend is the tens of billions of dollars of capital flooding into Bitcoin from the smartest money on the planet. There's some short-term selling pressure from Mt. Gox and Silk Road, right? So it's just a matter of time as the mega trend effects really start to get felt.